Hi there, I'm Joseph. I'm going to be guiding you on Route 2 of the Sunderland spiral roundabouts. The A19 north, turning right onto the A1231 east heading into Sunderland. Staying in the left lane, the right two lanes are the A19 north, the left lane is the A1231. At the roundabout we are going to turn right, third exit. Our destination is Sunderland North, A1231. As the road widens, stay to the right-hand side, Sunderland A1231. Climbing up the bank towards the traffic lights and roundabout, both lanes go to Sunderland. Given the choice, left is best. Make progress forward, continuing to indicate right, but aiming for the middle of the three lanes. Remember, right, third exit. Stay to the left of the white stud markers. Now, indicate left. Continue to indicate to the left, until you have exited the junction. Cancel the indicator and make progress along the A1231. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the rest of our content.